Hey loves, my name is Cindy. My house is a complete disaster. I need to do some extreme cleaning today. I'm sure a lot of you guys are in the same boat as I am, especially since most of us are stuck at home. Today I'm going to be tidying up and cleaning my bathrooms, my room, the girls' room, and the hallway. And I'm so excited because today's video is in collaboration with my friend Lolly from the channel Just Mom. If you love motherhood and parenting tips, you're going to love her channel. Make sure you check out her channel in the description box below to see her fun videos. And I don't even know what happened to the girls' room, you guys. This all happened this morning while I was trying to sleep in. I guess they just wanted to play with their toys. They didn't make their beds yet. They gotta put their jewelry stuff away and just all their Legos and toy food, and all their toys are on the floor. So they're definitely gonna be cleaning this up while I clean my room. So the girls are gonna clean up their toys every morning. They always make us breakfast with their toy food. So they're gonna go put it back in their room. All right, girls, so we're gonna have another friendly competition again. We're gonna do a cleaning competition. Mommy's gonna clean her room while you guys clean your room, okay? You guys have a lot of things to clean up over here. So, yep, that can be the winning trophy again. And then we can also have like a little sweet treat at the end, okay? So whoever cleans up the room wins, first. Okay? Yep, whoever cleans up the room first wins, okay? Have fun, girls. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all the bedding off my bed and put it to wash. So what is on your to-do list today? Do you need to do laundry, declutter your closet, or just clean a space in your home? I hope my cleaning videos are helping you guys out and motivating you to clean a space in your home. Trust me, once you do it, the end results are so satisfying. Clean with me today and let's get things done. Next, I have some clothes to fold. Laundry is never ending over here. I feel like I'm doing it more now that we are stuck at home. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are on the same boat. So I do miss making my shop with me videos. Once I feel like things are getting back to normal, I will start those up again. But in the meantime, I would love to know what other types of videos you guys would like to see on my channel. Do you want to see more organizing and decluttering videos, a day in the life video, a cook with me video? Let me know in the comments down below. What would you like to see the most? I quickly went over to the girls' room to put their bed in to wash, and they were almost done cleaning their room. I'm telling you, when I make a game out of cleaning, they are all about it. I love using the Dollar Tree cloth bins. I have one specifically just for the bathing suits and they work great. The girls did a really good job cleaning up their room. I'm going to come back here and vacuum the carpet. Their bed is currently in the washer, so once it's done washing and drying, I'm going to put it back on their bed. Now moving on to the kids' bathroom, I needed to tidy up, clean the mirrors, toilet, and floor, and boy did it need it. Here I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray in the honeysuckle scent to clean the bathroom counters, and it smells amazing. I love using the Method Mint glass cleaner for my mirrors. It works wonders, and I just love the smell of mint. Next, I am using a 7th generation toilet bowl cleaner. It's one of my favorites right now, and I really recommend it. Now I'm going to wipe down my toilet with a Clorox disinfectant wipe. What is your least favorite thing to clean around the house? Let me know in the comments down below. My least favorite thing to clean is the toilet.
Thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be.
Now it's time to clean my bathroom. I like to do this once a week, but last week was a bit crazy. The sinks are gross, the mirror has toothpaste all over it, the toilet definitely needs a good cleaning, and there's hair all over the floor. So it definitely needs to be cleaned today.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
And I am using the same cleaning products that I use in the kids' bathroom in my bathroom.
Carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue.
Here's a quick cleaning tip. Use an old toothbrush to help you get any grime off your sink, faucet, or any tricky areas.
Of the fire, if it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
So our next big home project, we want to remodel the bathroom. I'm thinking white or gray countertops and having 2 smaller mirrors instead of 1 big mirror. But I'm still not sure yet. I need to go on Pinterest to get inspired. Let me know if you guys have any great ideas.
I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
My floor definitely needed to be vacuumed. I am using my cordless Dyson. It is so easy to use and move around.
Baby, let it come to you. Every soul
Next, I use my Swiffer Wet Jet Floor Mop, and this works amazing on my floors. I love that it's lightweight and that I can get into tight areas. So I just realized I forgot to put the clothes to wash from last night, but now it is finally washed and I can put it in the dryer and I can put the bedding in the washer. Something about fresh and clean linens that make me so happy. The touch, the smell is just so relaxing, especially when it's just coming out of the dryer. Now it's time to tidy up the hallway. It has been like this for a few days and I definitely needed to clean it as soon as possible. Okay, so I put away all the laundry that I just folded, and now I have to tackle this laundry basket over here.
Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you.
So has anyone been trying out new recipes? I've seen a lot of people bake banana bread and I want to make some this weekend. If you guys have a favorite banana bread recipe, please let me know in the comments down below so I can try it out. Okay, I have all my laundry folded. Now it's time to put the clothes back to where they belong so I can make my bed.
I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two.
So it is 8 o'clock now. The kids wanted to go for a family bike ride, then they wanted to play with chalk, and then it was dinner time. But I'm still gonna make my bed because I love going into a freshly made bed, and I'm also still gonna put this laundry away. Now I'm putting my comforter and pillows back on my bed. I am not going to put my decorative pillows back on my bed tonight because we take them off anyways. So this box is still here. Originally, we were supposed to put the TV right across the bed on this wall over here, but since with everything that's been going on, hubby has been working from home, so I think we're gonna have to wait on that, but I'm definitely gonna have to get this box out of here because it's driving me crazy.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.
Alright guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me and got some cleaning motivation and inspiration. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and be sure to click that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm sending you guys so much love, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!